kit purchase, loyalty rewards program, wellness consult, and an ongoing health relationship. Those 4 things right there are going to get you into the right mindset and the right position health-wise to really just Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to talk about why the idea of selling doTERRA is the wrong mindset to have. As I scratch the hair that I don't have on my chin. Alrighty, well, don't worry, this isn't a shaming session. It's all about getting some more information so you can move from selling to service. Oh snap, did you just get a preview? I think you did. Now let's get the review on. Alright, so here's the thing. People have been spammed and scammed online, in person, a lot. I mean, there's a time where I actually got scammed out of like $1,500 about, let's say 10 years ago by a guy that I met outside my dentist's office, and it was a whole spiel. We went to like H.H. Gregg, which is like a Best Buy or Circuit City if you're familiar with those. He ended up writing down a bunch of stuff that he was going to get me as an employee, and I got scammed out of $1,500. Long story short, went to the bank, made some withdrawals. Even the clerk asked me like, "Do you know him?" And he ended up getting caught, going to jail, so there was justice served, but I got scammed due to my own greed. Learned a lot. Ain't gonna do that again. Lesson learned was I need to not be so greedy, number one. Number two is I need to, check deals with other people and kind of, have their filters check on stuff and not be so quick to make a purchasing decision, especially for that amount so quickly. I need to do my research, basically. Alright, so what I'm trying to say is people have been scammed, in my case, spammed the crap out of on emails. And I mean, there's so many spam emails that I get with either viruses or phishing viruses or malware or all that crazy stuff. And I'm sure you've probably experienced a lot of that too, and that's why email open rates have gone so down on a lot of things. And so when it comes to whether it's the in-person or the online realm, it's hard for people to trust people. So that's why when it comes to selling doTERRA, the better mindset is to have one of service. And so it's, how can I be of service? How can I serve you? And the best way to do that is to understand, number one, people's needs. What are their health priorities? Do they need support with energy, digestion, sleep, stress, muscles, joints, hormones, immune system? What do people need support in? And that's going to take some honesty and some self-awareness on their part to be able to communicate that in a way that they feel is going to be heard and understood, and in a way that maybe they're open to as well. Because some people aren't as open on more sensitive stuff, or maybe they haven't dealt with it. It's hard to deal with something you haven't named yet, or maybe don't want to deal with, right? Just want to just manage symptoms, don't want to address the root cause, and I get that. But if somebody's open to natural solutions, right, open to trying essential oils, and open to basically talking about their health priorities and their needs and their goals, then it's really great. It creates a more of a flowing conversation. The next thing you want to do is understand their goals, right? What does life look like once those things have been managed, gotten under control, once they're in a state of a higher quality of life? And so that's going to be, like ideal state for someone. Maybe it's saving money, maybe it has to do with their health, being able to spend more time with their kids, just feeling better, having better mood, or better, clearer skin, or smoother skin, or youthful skin, or a lot of other things, right? And so it's just important to know all that. And so when searching and looking for more information on how to sell doTERRA, I always steer, my team, my builders, my sharers to, how do you serve doTERRA? How do you focus on understanding what people's needs are so they feel understood, heard and understood, most importantly. And then how do we focus on some goals to try to reach, and that the goals are challenging yet attainable, in the sense that they may be challenging because they may not make you feel good, or they may stir up some feelings that don't feel too good. But at the end of the day, they're attainable with the proper fact-based information and a proper game plan for your health. And so that involves a lot of things. That involves a kit purchase, loyalty rewards program, wellness consult, and an ongoing health relationship. Those 4 things right there are going to get you into the right mindset and the right position health-wise to really just take back your health, and to make a lot of steps towards taking control over what's going on and most importantly, feeling empowered that, hey, I got the information, I got the education, I got the support, I can do this. You know what I'm saying? Let's go, right? Let's go. That's how I felt, and that's just what I try to help my clients with as well. So, all right, well, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and remember, service over sales. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, gotta break it down, break it down. Oh, I'm gonna break my back doing that. Okay, other than that, hey, we'll see you in the next video.